Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials so the app works reliably. Update the phone, use stable Wi-Fi, and keep battery above 20%. Once done, open the official store and download the bank app. Check the developer name and icon to avoid imposters. Make sure you enable biometrics and set a strong 6+ digit PIN. These speed up access and add security. Now tap Create Account and have your ID and phone number ready, so the app can verify you quickly and securely. You will now verify who you are and connect money sources. Follow the app prompts to scan your photo ID and take a selfie, then complete two-factor verification via SMS or an authenticator app so the bank trusts this device. Once verified, link your checking or savings using routing and account numbers, or opt for instant micro deposits if available. Add debit or credit cards and set sensible daily limits and transfer permissions, and enable push notifications to track activity in real time. You finish by confirming everything works. Make a small test transfer or deposit to ensure linked accounts and cards process correctly. Once confirmed, set up recurring bill payments, enable alerts for large transactions, and save recovery codes or use a password manager so you can regain access if needed. If something goes wrong, force close the app, clear cache, or reinstall. Also make sure your phone date and time are correct. After testing, log out and relaunch to verify persistent login and security settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.